Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to make this top knot, and I have another video on my page of how I made one, but this way I closed it off differently. And I will show you how to do that to make it more secure, and then I will also description where you can find out how to make your own boards, or you can just use the measurements and make your own boards. And I'll also put in the description of how to, where did I get my fabric? Because I see a lot of people asking me, where do I get the fabric from? And a lot of my bullet fabric came from one place, so I'll just put it in the description of where I got it from. The things you would need are your boards, your strip of fabric. This strip of fabric is 5 inches by 60 inches. You will be cutting off your extra pieces of fabric that you don't use, and I will put in the description of where are the measurements of the boards and how you can make your own boards. So I have newborn / baby, then I have toddler. So I have newborn, babies, toddler, and teen / adults. And I'm going to be using the toddler one. So what I'm going to do is take my strip of fabric. This is bullet fabric. You can use any kind of stretchy fabric, but if you use double brush poly fabric, it will fold over. So you want to put the pretty side of the fabric facing down. And you're going to make sure your board is in the center of it. So you're going to take your fabric at each end, and then you're going to pull it straight up and making sure your board is in the middle. And then what you're going to do next is take a piece of elastic and put it on. Or if you don't have a piece, so I'm just going to tie it, or you can just tie it or use some thread. So I'm just going to tie it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to lay one side of the strip down, and then you're going to put the other side inside of it, and then you're going to fold it over to make sure the raw edges, the cut edges, are in the inside so it don't show when you go to twist it. And then you're just going to twist it. When you're twisting it, your bottom piece is going to become the top of the knot. So you're going to twist and try wrapping it around that. And then you're going to take your tail piece and you're going to pull it through to the very top. Once you get all the rows situated. And then you're going to have it like this, so you're just going to give it a pull, making sure you're rows are lined up. And then what you're going to do, normally you just take it and cut it and then push it down. What I've learned that you can do to secure it better is to just tie a knot. You can tie one knot, or you can tie 2 knots. And with bullet fabric, it's a lot thicker. And then after you tie your knot, you're just gonna cut the extra pieces off. And then you're just gonna tuck them down. And then you just tuck it down so you can't see it. And then gotta play with it some. I gotta cut this some more. Just tuck it to where you can't see it. And there. Oh, I don't know. This came through. And then you have now this side is for a toddler. And you're all done. Thank you all for watching this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you at my next video. Bye.